Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legal Beat. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Legal Bee. Legal Bee is the exclusive law channel of iExamBee and here we keep on providing you all the relevant content that is helpful in your exam preparation. If you are preparing for any competitive examinations like SEBI Grade A Legal Officer, RBI Grade B, IBPS SO Law Officer, IBPS RRB, etc., do check out our online courses available on our website. अगर आप इन कोर्सेज के डेमो एक्टिवेट करके देखना चाहते हैं देन आप वो भी देख सकते हैं www.iexamby.com पर. कोई भी क्वेरीज हो यू कैन रीच आउट टू अस बाय राइटिंग अस एन ईमेल ऑन hello@iexamby.com. You can also call on the number 9205524028. Write to us in the comment section of this video as well. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. In this video, I'm going to continue with my descriptive answer writing series. I have started this series long ago and I'm continuing this series. This is very helpful for your descriptive answer writing practice. आप इन PPTs को डाउनलोड करके रख सकते हैं एंड इन कॉन्सेप्ट्स पे आंसर्स लिखने की कोशिश कीजिए. कोई भी डाउट्स हो आप हमें इस वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में डायरेक्टली रीच आउट कर सकते हैं. Question number 18. This is the 18th video on my series that is for descriptive answer writing I am uploading today. This is write a short note. The question is write a short note on composition of Securities Appellate Tribunal. Very important question this is from securities law and definitely we can expect a question in descriptive section from this. Especially I am talking about the SEBI Grade A Legal Officer exam now which is coming up. The phase 2 is having descriptive section. So ये काफ़ी important topic है आपके लिए. Start with an introduction always. SAT is a statutory body established under SEBI Act 1992 to hear and dispose of appeals against orders passed by the SEBI or by adjudicating officer under the SEBI Act. It also hears and disposes of appeals against orders passed by the PFRDA and IRDAI. ये दोनों अथॉरिटीज़ रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटीज़ से रिलेटेड भी अपील्स सैट सुनता है. तो ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है जो हम इंट्रोडक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हैं. एस्टैब्लिशमेंट एंड कॉम्पोजिशन दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ डायरेक्टली आस्क्ड इन द क्वेश्चन. सेक्शन 15K and 15L. It will be good if you mention the section numbers in the headings itself. Central government shall establish Securities Appellate Tribunal, that is SAT, by issuing a notification. It shall consist of presiding officer and 2 other members to be appointed by the central government by notification. What are the qualifications for appointment? This is the crux of your answer. As presiding officer or member of the SAT covered under section 15M, a person who is a sitting or retiring judge or retired judge of the Supreme Court or a sitting or retired Chief Justice of High Court, person who is a sitting or retired judge of a high court and has completed 7 years of service as a judge in a high court. Presiding officer shall be appointed by central government in consultation with the Chief Justice of India or his nominee. A person can be appointed as a member of SAT if he is a person of ability, integrity and standing and who has shown capacity in dealing with problems relating to the securities market and has qualification and experience of corporate law, securities law, finance, economics or accountancy. The term of office of SAT officials is 5 years or by the time they attain the age of 70 years. This is for the PO as well as the members of the SAT. It is the same. Now we can conclude this answer as the word limit is 250 to 300 words only. We have to be to the point and mention an introduction and conclusion, short and crisp one with the main crux covered. That is for this question it was qualifications. SAT has the same powers as are vested in a civil court. Every appeal to the SAT should be filed within 45 days. ये point आप conclusion में add कर सकते हैं. And Securities Appellate Tribunal may allow the appeal to be filed beyond 45 days for satisfactory reasons. If you want to file an appeal from the order of SAT, it shall lie to Supreme Court. अगर इस पे लॉन्ग आंसर आता है तो आप और बहुत कुछ लिख सकते हैं. प्रोसीजर फॉर अपील टू सैट, एवरीथिंग यू कैन एलैबोरेट एंड इवन द फंक्शंस पावर्स यू कैन एलैबोरेट फर्दर. बट यहाँ पे अभी शॉर्ट आंसर है 250-300 वर्ड्स का and what they have asked you is a question focusing on the qualifications composition basically, so you can focus on that. I hope all of these series are helping you all a lot in your preparation. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned with us. Download our app from the Google Play Store and check out all the course features available even on our app, even in offline mode. Thank you everybody.